First things first, what exactly is an airbag? It's a safety feature found in all newer cars designed to cushion you in the event of a crash. They inflate extremely quickly in a fraction of a second and then deflate upon impact to protect you. This is made possible by a quick chemical reaction initiated by an electrical circuit when the car detects a significant change in speed. These airbags are always ready to spring into action during a collision, hence referred to as passive restraints, as opposed to seatbelts, which you need to fasten yourself. Remember, wearing your seatbelt is still vital as it works together with the airbags to maximize your protection. Now, if you're curious about what airbags look like, they're generally concealed behind panels in the car's interior, such as the steering wheel, the dashboard, the side doors. The airbag system consists mainly of impact sensors, an inflation module, and the airbag itself, typically made of nylon or polyester. And when it's deployed, front airbags can be quite large, sometimes up to 60 liters in volume, whereas side airbags are comparatively smaller. Moving on, let's talk about where these airbags are situated within the vehicle. Different types of airbags have different locations. You have the driver airbag in the steering wheel and the passenger airbag in the dashboard. Then there are seat-mounted airbags found on the sides of the seat and roof rail airbags installed in the roof rails of the vehicle. Handling airbags should be left to the professionals since they can be hazardous if they're mishandled. Now, you might wonder how to ascertain if your airbags are functioning correctly. Keeping an eye on the airbag warning light on your dashboard is a good starting point. If it stays illuminated or lights up while you're driving, it's time to consult a technician. You can also perform an airbag diagnostic test to check the system's functionality or regularly check for any recalls from your car manufacturer regarding airbag issues. A common query is about the lifespan of airbags. Good news here. They're built to last the lifetime of your vehicle, so there's no periodic replacement required. However, do keep an eye on any warning lights to ensure the system is functioning correctly. Speaking of replacements, if you ever find yourself in a situation where you need to replace an airbag, the cost can vary. Generally, the prices could range between $250 to $800 for driver side airbags and $400 to $1,500 for other types. But remember, it's vital to get new airbags as opposed to used ones to adhere to state laws and prioritize safety. When it comes to replacing them, it's a task best left to the professionals, given the central role airbags play in ensuring passenger safety. If you want to learn more about airbags, there's a link in the show notes to an article where I dive in a little deeper. There are also pictures to help you understand it all better. Until next time, take care and drive safely.